Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy True. This is KICKnology, and today we gonna be talking about these sneakers right here, man. The Kobe Protro 5 X-ray joints. Now, I'm hearing a lot of people say that these shoes should be an easy cop, and that nobody really wants these things. They're childish, it's stupid, and all this other stuff. But I really want to know. We're gonna talk about this today. Do we finally have a Kobe drop that's gonna be an easy cop? Is this sneaker gonna be flying under the radar? Because I really ain't heard nobody talk about it. As far as early looks, I really ain't seen too many pairs being reviewed. So I just kind of wanted to come on because they do drop in 2 days, October 17th. They are already on the sneakers app, as you guys can see. But I kind of just wanted to talk about this sneaker and kind of figure out if this sneaker is gonna be an easy cop. But before we get up into this content, man, go ahead and do your boy a favor. Hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you guys are tapped in, have the notification bell turned on, all those great things. Now, as we take a look at this sneaker, I had somebody send me a post on IG, and as you guys can see on the screen, this is what the post says. It says, nobody cares. Why does no one care about the X-Ray Kobe releasing this week? And is this true? Do people not really care about this sneaker? I was reading some of the comments on there, and people were saying, oh, they're childish. Only hoopers care about Kobe's now. So I feel like we're kind of getting back to the stage where people don't care about Kobe's lifestyle. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Because I remember a time, I always say this, Kobe sat in the outlets, nobody really messed with it. But as you can see, as we take a look at the sneaker, predominantly deep roll upper, you have the bones of Kobe feet right there on the upper, and as you can see, they do glow in the dark. So perfect sneaker for Halloween, you feel what I'm saying? And I do kind of feel those vibes also, where I would say that if Kobe was alive, that this would be a sneaker that nobody would probably be going after except for true Kobe fans or hoopers, you know what I'm saying? But that's not the case. He is not alive, and that means that every sneaker that he has is a hot commodity. So everybody wants these sneakers. So when it says nobody cares, I don't think it's that nobody cares, even though I haven't seen many reviews and stuff about them. I just think it's one of those things right now where people are just gonna kind of wait until it drops, and then it's gonna be like, okay, this sneaker is gonna be worth quite a bit of money, because apparently the stock numbers are looking very limited, of course. So even if people think this sneaker is ugly, if the stock numbers are only at 53,000 is what I'm hearing for this sneaker, if those are the stock numbers for it, then you can automatically assume add another $100 for resale for these things. Maybe people don't like it. Maybe it ain't the sneaker for you. But is it the sneaker to go after just in case something pops off in this limited quantities and everybody wants this sneaker, especially if people, when they find out it glows in the dark and all that stuff? Absolutely. So therefore it makes it hype. So again, we're gonna debunk that ASAP. We have another hype Kobe. We have another release, another Protro that's gonna be limited. It's gonna resell for quite a bit. So let's take a look at the current pre-sale form. So whenever we talk about resale for a sneaker, I always kind of like to take a look at the pre-sale, because that kind of helps me determine whether or not people are already paying bread for it, or if people already have the sneaker posted for less. So right now, as you guys can see on the screen, this is the current pre-sale for the Kobe 5 Protro X-Rays, and we're looking at the last sale being $300. Now, the all sale, the lowest ask is $248. Now this is including every size, but I'm a size 11.5, 12, so we're gonna go to a size 12, and you can see the last sale was $357, highest bid is $285, lowest ask is $309. So out of the gate right now, pre-sale for these things, this is before stock numbers, this is before anybody been talking about them, is already at $300 for the bigger sizes. Now if we look at just like overall sizes, 10.5, $298. The lower sizes tend to always drop in price. If you ask me, when it comes to Kobe's, they never stay up there. Size 7s to like 9.5, 10s. But then when you get to the size 11s and the 12.5s all the way up to the 15, 16, stuff like that, they always tend to go up, as you guys can see. So the average price right now is $248. But I'm gonna say for those bigger sizes, it's safe to say the average price is $300. So with that being said, I'm gonna tell you guys that again, if the stock numbers are only 50K for these things and they drop and people get their pairs, this sneaker definitely would not be under $300, in my opinion. I think it will not be under $300. Even if people say they hate it, they don't like it, I think this sneaker would be at least $325 to $400, right in that price range, once everybody get their pairs and we see how limited they are. Now, if there are pairs available for everyone to receive, or like, let's say the stock number is 100K or 80K, then yeah, maybe we'll see some for around like 275, 285, you feel what I'm saying? 300 max shipped to you. But it's not gonna do like the Venice Beaches where they're gonna be right around that $200, $245 price range. It's not gonna be like that, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all like this sneaker or not, the Kobe 5 X-Ray. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully, I'll be able to hit on these things and give y'all a review. But y'all already know the things, man. Rock what you like, now what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.